What the baby's doing? What you doing, Roxy? What's she doing? You're so freaking cute.
Move your feet and feel it in the space between. You gotta give yourself a moment. Let your body move.
Hey guys, so I want to show you guys kind of like a tour of what the house looks like now. It was important to me to document this. I really wish I would have got the actual before all of this renovation stuff started. But before we finish up, I do want to get a few clips in of the house now, and then of course you guys will see it at the end. So without further ado, I'll show you guys around, and side note, don't judge because it looks crazy. Okay, so we're walking in from the porch area. It looks crazy. It's hot right now, so we got the fans going, windows open. It's a mess in here. But so this is like the kitchen, obviously, and this is like the living room area. A lot of things are going to be changing in here, but this is what we have right now. Of course, it looks like a complete mess. Primer on the walls, patching up holes, the whole nine. Still have some sanding to do in some areas, and then we'll of course start painting. But this is the living room. We have these brown bar stools, but they're going to be changing to black. We're going to stain them black because brown is no longer a color in this house. And then a little seating area that will be much nicer when everything's done, of course. And then obviously the kitchen itself. But then to the left side over here is the bedroom area. It will look totally different when it's done, but again, just patching up some of these holes and stuff. Then over here is the bathroom / call it my closet. We are remodeling the shower. We have tile down on the bottom. We have started the tile in the middle section there, but the rest of this is going to be marble, and we're going to finish that up. And then, you know, your toilet, your sink, and then the mirror, which I really love. And then inside the mirror is storage in the mirror, you know. So hi guys. Then in here you have my closet, and it's a bit messy right now. I'm going to be painting these shelves white, but I'm really not in a rush to do that. I want to get the rest of this house done before I even paint them white, but this is pretty much what the system looks like. Then in this guest room here, look at Roxy. Hi mamas. This is a total mess. This is going to be my office, but it's also a guest bedroom. This is pulled up so far only because I was watching the TV that's on the wall, but normally it goes back here. But this is where we are storing most of the crap that goes in the main side of the house for now. So it's a bit junky in here. So it is maybe like 2 months later or so, the beginning of September. I meant to do this video before I left on vacation, but I just didn't have time, so we're doing it today. I am going to show you guys everything that we did in here. The house is not 100% finished, but majority of things are done. I will show you everything, with the exception of the bathroom, because that is just one thing that is just like really not like done at all. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys the finished house, or as finished as it could possibly. So starting from the front door, of course you have the sliding door like before, shoes there, there's a gray rug there. I want to get a key rack to go on this one, and then a coat rack to go on this wall right here. But that's the front door. Then moving over to the right, you have the living room area. The rug we got from Home Depot, believe it or not, but it's a really nice gray rug and I really like it. Then the couch is still the same for now. She is going to make a couch of we're gonna make a couch of our own, and it's actually gonna be blue, but we're working with the couch that we had prior for now. I just put a gray throw blanket on there and a few decorative pillows to go with the theme. And then onto the side I have this little stand. I got this stand at HomeGoods. It has like this drawer and I just have remotes in there. And then the Beats speaker is just sitting on top of that. Then moving over here, you have the two cabinets on the side. This one just holds like games and consoles and things like that. Then you have the TV right here, and then my girlfriend actually made this TV stand. We just need to sand it and paint it, but we just haven't done that yet. So it's not going to stay this color or this natural wood. It's not going to stay like that. It's going to be sanded and painted, but just got the console stuff on there, and then some organizational baskets down below with cords and stuff like that in there. And then on this side, in this one, we have games, books, Bibles, DVDs down there of like godly things. Joyce Myers, we listen to her a lot, and Joel as well. Then over here you have the bedroom. Now as you can see, our bedroom is basically open. It's just us here, so there's really no need for the doors that technically belong on those tracks, so we did not put them up. You can see me. We hung the mirrors side by side, kind of like as a backboard for the bed. My girlfriend did make this bed. We just lifted it, and then so that's the bed. And then we have two night tables with matching lamps on each side. The lamps and the night tables both came from HomeGoods. And the mirrors were from IKEA. We just spray painted them like this metallic silver color. And then we have the blue accent wall there. The cool thing about these end tables is that in the back you have like outlets and USB ports and stuff. So that's cool about that. But this is just basically the bedroom right there. And then we have a little collage, if you will, of past pets that have passed. I have Max, my childhood dog, and my dog tags hanging there. His ashes are in there. Then you have Ace, which was my girlfriend's dog that passed recently, or a couple months ago I should say. And then his ashes, and then down at the bottom is my aunt's dog, who looked exactly like Ace, who also passed as well. Then over here in this little corner we have the TV hanging up there. And then just some random knickknacks here. Just got a candle. I love candles. Picture of New York. And air freshener. So then moving to the kitchen, we have this nice blue runner, which was also from Home Depot. These bar stools, if you guys saw, they were originally brown. I just, well, she sanded them down and then I painted them this white gray color. It probably looks like white on camera, but they are like a white gray color, which matches the wall. So the same paint we used for the wall, I used for the chairs. Then we just have some decor pieces here. This is a love sign that I got at HomeGoods, and another nice candle that smells good. I need to get more. Salt and pepper shaker with some coasters. And then over here I have this lovely fish of mine that I just recently got for my birthday for my aunt, and some flowers from my girlfriend for my birthday. So this is basically the kitchen. Got nice cabinets. The cabinets stayed the same. We didn't do anything different to them. We just basically just repainted over here. So this is just the same kitchen as before. Stove top. The only thing we don't have is an oven, so we use this little conventional oven here, or if we need to cook bigger things like pizzas and whatnot, we can go to the other side. The idea for this section was basically just put a whole bunch of decorative pillows. We still need to decide what color we want to do the top of these storage bins. But we're just going to put some pillows and stuff here. Right now it just has some files and stuff that need to be put away. But this is this small area here. We were thinking of putting like a dining table here, but I'm not really sure how I feel about that. So for now it's just an open space for whatever. Then moving into the hallway, which is also on the side of the bed. The bathroom is over here to the left, but we're going to skip the bathroom and go straight into my current closet, which is this. I did not end up painting all my shelves white. It was just too much work. But if you come in on this side, I have my name sign there, and then my Steve Madden bags here. I have a book bag and a purse, and then this little step ladder to help me reach my shoes that are up here on these racks. And then this is my clothes, and then drawers, of course. And then here is kind of like my display almost. So I have my Michael Kors purses up top, Michael Kors shoes there with the wallet, and then displaying my Vans and my Timberlands there. And then here I have just like some of my makeup and stuff like that, jewelry, whatever may be, and then some perfumes, hats, gift bags, and then in here I have all my makeup storage and stuff. Then they put a light up here for me because originally I was gonna do my makeup here in my closet. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It just depends how I'm feeling. But all of this is not permanent. I mean, it is for now, but we'll get into that in a little bit. Also, if you guys want me to do a makeup collection storage kind of video, just let me know down in the comments down below. The rug in here is from Family Dollar, and it's a nice gray rug as well. So the final part of the house is this right here. This is currently a bedroom, a spare bedroom. I have my old bed in here, but we're gonna get rid of this bed. And the reason why I said my closet was not permanent is because that's gonna be Babe's closet, and then this whole room is gonna be transformed into my vanity slash closet area, and I can't wait for that. So this is another big project that we have to do, but for now this is what it is. I just have my light there, I have my vanity there with some of my makeup brushes on there. I also have like work stuff or like computer type stuff inside the drawers, and then my makeup displayed on top. But I also have makeup in my closet, a printer on the side. Oh, look at Roxy. She's scared of the thunder and lightning, if you guys can hear that. And then here's another rack from my old bedroom for a towel and robe. And then inside this closet, which I'm not going to open, is all Babe stuff. But again, this whole room is going to be transformed into a vanity slash closet for me, and I can't wait for that. I'm thinking of taking down these doors and kind of like having that an open space to where I can do my vanity stuff there, and then put shelving and stuff around the room to be the closet part of it.